Hello guys, breakfast update. So we'll be having adobong kangkong as our viand for this morning. This is my breakfast and this is very good, so delicious and healthy. So let's try it. 10 out of 10. I love it. For those who do not know what I'm eating, this is actually called adobong kangkong or water spinach. It is a typical Filipino vegetable dish which we all love because aside from it is cheaper, especially when bought in market, it is also a savory dish with many essential nutrients including fiber, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, calcium. It is also good for the heart and it is a low calorie diet.